Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's actually a weekly analysis, guys. But this week it's where the market, or it's when the market is going to move very smooth. You can see even on the economic calendar, our economic events are now back. So on Monday, you can see we have CPI from Europe, and Tuesday PMIs from the US and job openings. Remember, this week we're gonna have NFP. That's why you see job opening. So on Wednesday we have FOMC meeting, unemployment claims, ADP, and yeah, on Thursday, on Friday we can. On Thursday you can see we don't really have much, and on Friday we have employment change from Canada and also from the US, but we call that NFP. I did a video actually about this NFP. Go check that video. I think maybe it will help those who want to understand one or two things about NFP. So remember, this year 2025 we are going to also look more on Bitcoin. So I think I will be jumping on Bitcoin more often. So I think it's going to be something that we need to check. It's very interesting. I think as the new admin, or yeah, a new admin in the US, Trump, Musk, and the other ones, I think they're going to be in favor of these cryptos, and I think they will have the nice run. This 4 years is going to be very, very, very interesting. So what we see here on Bitcoin, yes, we can easily see that we had a very nice structure where the market was just playing around. We had a nice breakout. It seems like the market will end up continuing with this nice uptrend structure. So yeah, on my side, I think I'm still very bullish, but I will still try to play around and try to analyze more and to get where I can actually jump in. I think around these areas it's where I can jump in, but already the market is very high. There is a chance that the market might still reverse before going higher again. That it's quite possible, right? So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And for those who need our system, it is still 150. We will increase along the way, but guys, this system actually gives you instant signals. You can see here, this is gold. You can see here a proper sell there. Already the market was going down. Just look at this buy. If you got it around this area, obviously you were going to get some very nice profits. And you can just throw everything that you want. You can add German 30 there. You can add Nasdaq. Everything is clear there. You can see that. Just look at this buy, just look at this sell, just look at that sell. So everything is just straightforward. So you don't really have to it won't confuse you at all. So if you want the system, check my description. You will find my WhatsApp link. Click that link. Then you can talk to me. It's $150. Or maybe check my Telegram, or you can scan this QR code. So let's go back on our analysis. So now we are on dollar index. So dollar index, so dollar index actually shows us the strength of the dollar, or you can say US economy. So when the dollar is going up like this, it shows us that USD is stronger against other pairs. So you can see that we had a proper resistance. This was last year. And then the market started to show us that it's willing to push to the upside. And it seems like the market will be continuing like this. We know very well that they said they will be cutting the rates twice. That is not really enough. And the rates are still a little bit higher. So which means slowly we are going to see a reversal of this dollar, and it's going to go even higher. I don't know how will tariffs are going to affect the dollar, but it seems like they're going to have a positive impact on the dollar, or let's say the dollar is going to be stronger. But that doesn't really mean that it's actually good for business. But currencies, they don't really care. As long as they're going to add those tariffs, that will make the dollar to be stronger. If they don't really cut the rates, that will make the dollar to be stronger. If inflation is going up, CPIs, retail sales are going higher, that will also boost the dollar. So we will have to wait and see. Plus, as we have NFP this week, that will also actually clarify what we want to see. Is the dollar getting stronger, or maybe we are going to see it maybe cooling off a little bit? That we'll have to wait and see on Friday. So now we are on gold. Gold is still on a very nice structure. We can easily see that, yes, the market is still on this nice uptrend structure. So which means we still expect to see the market going even higher. But it means we have to relax a little bit, because we know very well that Trump is going to change some stuff, and we might see the dollar getting stronger, and we will see maybe a nice breakout. But besides that, the market is still on this nice uptrend. So when you trade, you have to think twice. When you buy, we have a nice resistance there. If the market breaks, obviously we will see a continuation. Maybe let's say after his in office, maybe it's where we're going to see those effects. Some of them might not really take place very quick, but I think this year we are going to see some very nice movements in the market. But at the moment on gold, we are still on this nice uptrend. Unless if the market breaks the support, we can say, okay, Christmas came early. It's our time for to look for that sell. But at the moment, we are still on that bullish move. So now we are on US30. We've been talking about these nice moves. The market has been showing us that it's on this nice bullish structure. But guess what? The market actually broke out of that. And with the economic news along the way, we have to be extra careful around this area. I think the market will end up consolidate around this area before we see maybe a nice breakout. If it breaks this support, yes, we will say the market, it's time for the market to do what? To continue going lower if we see a breakout on this support. But if we see a breakout on this resistant area, obviously, the market will end up going reversing to that uptrend, or going with the previous trend. Then this will mean that the market was just adjusting. Maybe this bullish move was just aggressive. Then the market might adjust. So there is a moment where the market breaks out and then play around, then continue with the previous trend. So which means the market was just trying to adjust the structure. Maybe these bullish moves were a bit aggressive. I hope maybe that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq, I think the structure is still quite straightforward. You can see that the overall moves, guys, the overall moves here, it is still showing us that we are on this nice uptrend. You can see that even if some of these lines don't connect very nice, but the overall structure, you can see that we are climbing, we are going up. So which means that it's a proper uptrend structure. But what we have here is the market moved very nice, touched our support area, and now you can see that the market was ready to reverse. So I think this week it's where we're going to see those nice moves starting to take shape. At the moment, it seems like the market just touched here, which is fine, but the market we're still on holidays. But this week, we're done with the holidays. I think we're expecting to see some very nice push the upside, or maybe the market might just play around, touch this area again before we see a nice push. It's up to the market, but what I know is we are still on that nice uptrend. I think AI companies this year, they're going to flourish. We're going to see more of those products coming out, and yeah, I think that is going to be a very good year. Trump is back on the president seat, or presidential seat, and if you still remember 2020, 2021 there, things were moving very nice. The market was just flying. I'm expecting to see that repeat again, right? So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. US oil, if you still remember, it was, if you still remember last year, we were on this nice downtrend structure, and we are still on that. We are still on that, and it seems like the market will end up continuing on that. You can see from this area, that area here, and now we expect that to move. We expect the market to touch this area before we see at that sell. At the moment, you can see if we try to do something like this, you will see what I'm trying to show you there. Yes, here the market was just consolidating here and there, but that's how the market moves. So if maybe the market touches this tomorrow or the other the next day, or I mean the coming days, we expect to see a nice reversal again, unless if maybe the market decides to break out, then that it will be a different story. But at the moment, I'm still a very bearish, and I like that. So anyways, because once it goes down, that will also have a nice impact on the inflation, and that will keep the rates lower. So easy as that. So for those who want the system, don't forget it's still 150. So the price will be going up, by the way. And I forget, for those who want this for the signals, guys, $60 is lifetime signal. If $60 is lifetime signal, we don't really have the other ones. But if you need maybe 3 months, 2 months, whatever, you just want to test our signals, just let me know. I will do something for you. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. For those who want to talk to me, scan this QR code or check my description. You will find my WhatsApp link. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.